Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a battery drain test while watching YouTube in the Realme X2 device, friends. So, which most of the users are asking me to do a video on that. So, before starting the video, friends, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And also do check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of other videos, other smartphones. So you can find plenty of useful videos on the Realme X2. So in this test, I'll be using with the 50% brightness and with the Wi-Fi connection only. So there is no SIM card in the mobile at the moment, and I've connected the earphones as well. And I got the stopwatch ready, friends, here, as you can see clearly. And even with the 50% bright volume only, I'll be using throughout this test. So let me open the YouTube application and start playing one of my videos, one of my playlist. So where I'll be continuously playing this playlist, friends. So because in my playlist there are plenty of videos, so I decided to play one of my playlist. So let me open the Realme X2 playlist only. And during this time, I'll be using the 1080 resolution in the YouTube, friends. So right now I'm in the Australia, so there is no problem with the YouTube resolution at the moment. So with the 50% volume as well and 50% brightness, friends. So again, I'll be back after the battery percent reaches to the 50%. So I'll record the two videos, one at 50% and one at 0%. So we'll get to know, friends, how many hours we can actually play the YouTube continuously in the Realme X2 device. So same kind of video I did on other phones like Redmi Note 9 Pro and POCO X2 as well. So stay tuned, friends, by subscribing to my channel. So again, I'll be back after the battery reaches to 50% in the Realme X2 device. So meanwhile, do check the links in description, friends, for the playlist. So alright, friends, here is the battery review of the YouTube playing continuously in the Realme X2 device. So it's been about 5 hours and 22 minutes, friends. And let me check the battery percent, how much it is, and battery statistics. So right now it's 5%, friends. So you can clearly see here 5% in terms of overall battery drain, and total screen on time is around 5 hours and 26 minutes. So continuously I've played the YouTube application only, friends, by using with the 50% brightness and with the earphones connected and with the Wi-Fi connection, not with the 4G data. So with the Wi-Fi connection. Let me click the power usage as well. So as you can see, the usage of today is YouTube. So let me open the YouTube. So you can see, friends, so YouTube is overall active in the continuously for 5 hours and 22 minutes. You can see 26 minutes. So friends, this is how much you get in the Realme X2 device in terms of the YouTube playback in the Realme X2. So when you compare with other phones like the POCO X2 and the Redmi Note 9 Pro, this is quite different, friends. The battery backup is pretty low in the Realme X2 device. So when you compare with other smartphones like POCO X2 and Redmi Note 9 Pro, so do check those videos, friends, how much time I have got in those mobile phones, so you can understand clearly how much difference it is between both the phones. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.